Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Everybody say hello. 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 Let's begin with our meditation. That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap and close our eyes. Very nice job, my friends. Feel for boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand into your lap. Keep your mind on your heart center. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. Let's begin our lesson. In this lesson, we're going to do some word problems with multiplication. So first, we're going to warm up with our kinesthetic clapping. So I think today we'll work on our 6s. So we're going to think about our answers, and then we're going to do our problems together with our clapping and snapping motion. So let's start with our 6s today. We're going to write them a little differently today. I'm going to write a number on the board, and you're going to tell me the multiplication problem, like 6 equals 6 times 1. Okay? So 6 equals 6 times 1. What does 12 equal?
12 equals 6 times 2.
Great job. 18 equals?
18 equals 6 times 3.
Very nice.
20 equals.
Oh, you got it, friends.
6 times 4.
Great job, guys. You even knew the answer for that one. 30 equals?
6 times 5.
Can you guess what's next?
36 equals 6 times 6.
Ooh. 6 times 6. You are right. Can you guess what's next?
42.
Good. 7. Good job. We've got 2 more.
40.
Great job. What's do it over here.
48 equals 6 times
8, good. We're just getting higher and higher with each of our problems. What's next, do you think?
54
Good.
equals 6 times 9.
Very nice, friends.
60 equals 6 times 3.
You got it. Okay, let's have everybody stand up. We're gonna do our snap clap thing. We're gonna start with our answer first, just like we practiced before, just now. So we're gonna do 6 equals 6 times 1. Okay? Got it? All right, we've done this before. We know how to do it. So here we go. 6 equals 6 times 1. 12 equals 6 times 2. 18 equals 6 times 3. 24 equals 6 times 4. 30 equals 6 times 5. Good. 36 equals 6 times 6. 42 equals 6 times 7. 48 equals 6 times 8. 54 equals 6 times 9. 60 equals 6 times 10. Very nice job, friends. Okay, everybody can take a seat. We're just going to do a few problems to get our memories refreshed about how we do multiplication when we have to regroup. So help me out with this problem. If I have 42 times 7, 42 times 7. What do I do first? Good. That's right, friends. We start here in our ones place, and 2 times 7, or 7 times 2 for our ones place, it equals 14. Okay. Oh, okay, my 1 goes up here. Okay, I'm gonna add later. So what do I do next? Am I finished? Good, our tens place. Yeah, 4 times 7 is 28. 7 times 4 plus 1 is 29. Is it okay now if I just write 29? Why? Yeah, we don't have anything else to multiply. So after we're finished, it's okay to write our whole answer down at the bottom, but not when we have more things to multiply. You got it, friends. Very nice. Very nice. Let's do 65 times 6. What equals 30?
6 times 5.
Yeah, we're starting in the right place, right here. 6 times 5. Write the 0. Okay, up here like that. And a plus. Great. 6 times 6 is next. 36. Good job. Plus 3. 36 plus 3. 39. You got it. Now I can write 39 right here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, our whole answer is 390. Good job, friends. You're doing great. You're doing great. Let's do 73 times 7. No, 6. 73 times 6. Where do we start? 3 times 6. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so. 3 times 6. 6 times 3. There it is. 18. Like this? Okay, 1 on top of the 7. Subtract? Okay, plus. You got it, friends. Good job. 7 times 6 or 6 times 7? Yeah, good job.
43.
Yeah, we've got 6 times 7 is 42, plus one more up top gives us 43. My friends told me it's okay to write it down here like this because we don't have anything else. 438 is our whole answer. Good job. We're going to do one more.
2, 3, 4.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Very nice. Let's try 87 times 4.
4 times 7.
That's right. First, we're going to do 4 times 7
8.
for our ones place.
Put 8 on the bottom.
It's
2 on top.
all right. You got it. It is 28. 4 times 7. 7 times 4. We put our 8 here.
2 on top.
2 on top. Am I going to subtract?
No, plus.
Plus. Okay.
And
Do I add first?
no.
No. What do I do first?
4 times 8.
4 times 8. Very nice.
42.
Great job, friends. Our math facts are getting faster and faster.
Plus 2 equals 44.
Good. 4 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus our 2 up top. 34. What's our whole answer? 348. Wonderful job, friends. Today we're going to be talking about word problems. So we're going to do a quick reminder about how we do our multiplication. I think our friends know how to do it from the board already. So we'll go through these pretty quick. Then we're going to think about some word problems where it's a little math story, and then we want to take that information out and think of an equation like 6 times 4 or 5 times 7, and then we can use that to solve the problem for our word problem. So what do we have first?
5 times 6 equals 30.
Good job. We always look in our ones place first. 6 times 5, we know it's 30. Our monkey man tells us, can we do this? No, we can't do that. The 3 has to go up top with a little plus sign. What do we do next?
6 times 2 equals 12.
Good. 6 times 2 is 12.
15.
Plus 3.
16.
15. What's our whole answer? 150. Very nice, friends. Try one more like this. What do we do first? 25 times 8. Where do we start? 8 times 5 or 5 times 8. It's not 45. You're close. You're close. 40. 40. Yeah, 5 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. That's cool. Where do we put the 40? Just down here? Can we just write 40 on the bottom?
0 on top.
Okay, just the 0 on the bottom. 4 up top. Very nice. What's next?
2 times 8.
2 times 8. What's 2 times 8?
2 times 8 equals 18.
16. That's okay. If you didn't get the right answer, that's cool. That's how we learn. Yeah, so 8 times 2, 16, plus our 4 on top gives us 20. So our whole answer is 200. Great job, friends. Okay, let's take a look at our guitars. At our guitars. How many guitars do we have? How many guitars? 8 guitars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. Do you remember how many strings are on each of our guitars? 6. That's okay. 6. It's hard to remember. So how many strings do we have all together? How can we write that with times?
8 times 6. 6 times 8.
Yeah, friends, very nice. We want to think about how many guitars. 8 guitars times how many strings on every guitar? How many strings are on every guitar?
6.
6. Yeah, so we just think about how many all together times how many on each one. And our answer
48.
is 48. You're right, friends. Very nice. Very nice. 48. Okay. We have 7 Batmen, right? Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7.
Okay, we have 7 Batmen. 7 of them. Each Batman has 32 teeth. I want to know how many teeth all together. How many teeth in all of these Batmen? How can we write that with the times? Yeah, we do the number of teeth, which is 32. And how many Batmen? 7. So we want to think about how many things times how many does each thing have. So we can write 7 times 32 equals what? Let's try it on the board. We know how to do that. Where do we start? 2 times 7. What's 2 times 7?
14.
You got it. 14. Like this? No. 1 on the top of 3. A little plus. What's next? What's next?
7 times 3 equals 21.
Good. 7 times 3. 21 plus 1 is 22. Yeah, 224 is my whole answer. Do you think we've got it? Yeah, you got it. You know how to do these problems, friends. So even if it's big numbers, we don't have to worry. We know just what to do. We just work on our ones place and then our tens place, and we've got it. Let's see what's next. Ooh, what do we have?
Cookies.
Cookies, okay. 2 has 4 boxes of cookies. So 2 has 4 boxes of these cookies. And inside every box, there are 25 cookies. 25 cookies. So 2 has 4 boxes of cookies. Inside every box, there are 25 cookies. How can we write that with times?
25 times 4.
Yeah.
25 times 4.
Good. Raise your hand if you think it's 25 times 4. What do you think? What do you think, Pang Pan? Is it 25 times 4? Or do you think something different? What do you think? 20. We have 4 boxes of cookies, 25 in each box. How can we write that with times?
25 times 4.
Yeah, that's right. We're going to do 25 times 4 or 4 times 25. So 4 times 25, we have 4 boxes of cookies. How many?
100.
Yeah, how many cookies are inside each box?
So 25.
25. And we've already got some friends telling us that's how many cookies?
100.
That's right, 100 cookies. 100 cookies. Okay. Yeah, we've got some puppies, so listen for the numbers. Okay, we have 4 boxes. Okay, 4 boxes. Each box has 12 puppies inside. Okay, how can we write that with times?
12 times 4.
Good, 12 times 4 or 4 times 12. We have 4 boxes. Each box has 12 puppies inside. So we can say 4 times 12, 12 times 4 equals what?
48.
48. Good job, friends. So when we hear the math story, it's important to think about what numbers we need to take from that story and turn it into an equation with times, since we're working on multiplication today. So let's see what we have next. Okay, what is this?
Apple.
An apple. So listen for your numbers. Listen for your numbers. Lakao has 5 baskets. Lakao has 5 baskets. Each basket has 23 apples inside. How many apples do we have all together?
1.
How can we write that with times? Listen one more time. Lackow has 5 baskets. Each basket has 23 apples inside.
23 times 5.
Good. How many apples all together? 23 times 5. Or 5 times 23. Let's try it on the board. $23 times 5. We don't have to worry if they're big numbers. We know what to do. Good. How do we do that?
3 times 5 equals 15.
Good. 3 times 5 is 15.
Put 1 on top of 2.
1 on top of the 2.
And 5 times
5 times 2.
2 equals 15. And plus 1 times is 11.
11. Can I just put my 11 down here like this? Yep. I don't have anything else to multiply. What's our whole answer?
115.
115. I bet you got it. Let's check. Yep. 115. Good job, friends. So if we have big numbers, we don't have to worry. We know how to do those problems already. Okay, we have worms. Worms are little snakes. Little worms. Okay. Listen up for the numbers. Everybody listen. Bang, bang, do. Get ready to listen. Get ready to listen about these worms. Each child or student has 4 worms. Let's pretend there are 18 students, and each of them have 4 worms. How can we write that with times?
18 times and 4.
Yeah, every person has 4 worms.
4 times 18.
They're 18, that's right. So 4 times 18. Who wants to try this one on the board? Come on up. 18 times 4. We'll put it down low for our friend Pro. 18 times 4. Let's give you blue. Show us how we do that. Where do we start?
8 times 4.
8 times 4. Good. We always start here in our ones place. And in this case, we have 8 times 4. What's 8 times 4?
Equals 32.
Good. It's 32. She's got her 3 up top. Very nice. Next, we have what?
Equals 72.
Yeah, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 more is 7. What's our whole answer?
72.
72. Do you think she's right? Yeah, I think she's right. I think she did it the right way. Let's check. Yeah, 18 times 4 is 72. Listen to our next story. Pot has 17 boxes. Pot has 17 boxes. Inside every box, there are 2 frogs. How can we write that with times?
7 times 2. 17 times 2 or 2 times 17.
Yeah, we're going to take our numbers and put times. So we can say 2 times 17 or 17 times 2. Can you think of what 2 times 17 is?
Yeah, 14.
Not 14. Oh, if you're just doing this part, yeah, that's good. Okay, do you want to do it on the board? Okay, down, let's go. 2 times 17. There you go. 2 times 17. Our friends know where to start in our ones place. 17 times 2. We start with 2 times 7. Very nice. We put our 1 up top. Good job. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. What's our whole answer?
4.
Yeah, did she do it the right way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we know we've got a right answer. Thank you, my friend. And let's just check. Yep, Pot's got 34 frogs. Very nice. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of frogs. Okay.
Books.
Books, 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 books. Pen Pen has 6 bags.
9.
She's got 6 bags. Inside every bag, there are 13 books. So she has 6 bags. Inside every bag, there are 13 books. How many books all together?
Oh, 6 times.
How can we write that?
13 half that.
Hold on. Listen to our numbers one more time.
Start.
Pen Pen has 6 bags. Inside every bag, there are 13 books.
13 times 6.
There we go, 13 times 6. And we want to know how many books all together. So who wants to try this? Pen Pen, do you want to try this one? You want to try this one for your books? So what are we doing? 13 times 6. Here you go. And blue. She's gonna start in her ones place. We got an 8. Ooh, sorry, it's kind of high. Very nice. We've got +1 on the top. Very good. Yeah, 6 times 1 is 6, +1. What's our whole number? 78. Very nice job. Pen Pen has so many books. So we take our number of bags, 6, times 13. How many books? Equals 78, just like our friend showed us. Okay, let's take a look at one more. Okay, birds. Birds. Okay, Pang Pon drew 9 pictures. 9 pictures. On every page of those pictures, there are 13 birds. How many birds did he draw all together?
6.
Hold on, let's listen one more time. Think and listen one more time. So Pang Pon drew 9 pictures. 9 pictures. On every picture, there are 13 birds. How many birds all together?
13.
You got it. 13 times 9, or 9 times 13. Very nice. Who wants to try it? Okay, come on up. 13 times 9, or 9 times 13.
13 times 9.
Here you go, here's blue. So where is she gonna start? Let's see. 13 times 9. Remember, you can do your finger trick for 9. Good job. She's checking out her fingers. 1, 2, 3. 7 down below. 2 up top. Very nice. Yeah, our 9s are easy, right? We got our 9s. 9 times 1. Plus 2 more. Good job. What's our whole answer?
117.
117. Let's double check. I bet she's got it though. 9 times 13, or 13 times 9, equals 117. Very nice, my friends. Great job. We're going to do a little stretch break next, so let's have everybody stand up. Okay, let's stretch our arms up high overhead. Stretch out all your fingers. Very good. Put your arms in a T. And touch your toes. Come up halfway. Pretend your arms are very heavy. Swing them around. Very nice. Good job. Stand up straight and tall. Let's try to balance today. So stand on one leg. Fold your other leg over your knee. If you can balance like this, put your arms out. If you can balance with your arms out, you can try to fly like a butterfly, or a bird, or a bat. Or an airplane. You can fly little wings. You can fly like a butterfly, however you want. Back. That's cool. Okay, let's switch legs. Stand on your other leg. Try to balance with your leg over your knee. If you can do that, put your arms out. If you can put your arms out, you can try to fly a little bit. Slow or fast. You can fly like a butterfly or a moth. You can fly like an airplane, just kind of hanging out. You can fly fast. Good job, friends. Okay, stand on two legs. Stand on two legs. Turn to a neighbor. Tell that neighbor hello.
Hello.
Tell that neighbor hello with your other hand. Give your neighbor 2 high fives up top. 2 high fives down low. Very nice. Shake 2 hands with your neighbor at the same time. Okay, shake 1 hand with your neighbor. Try to spin your neighbor. Get a spin for yourself. If you can do the double spin, that's really cool. Do a couple double spins. Very nice. Tell that neighbor thank you.
Thank you.
Tell that neighbor you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Good job, friends. Let's do 3 claps. Let's take 4 steps. Let's do 2 jumps. And 1 spin. Ooh. Very nice. Everybody can take a seat. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of practice with word problems. So I'm going to read you a word problem. We're going to go through it a few times. So the first time you're just going to listen. The second time we'll draw a picture on the board. And the third time you can follow along at your desk with some paper. If you want to draw the picture, you can. Or we can just think about how we're going to solve our problems with our equation with times. So first time, just listen. Second time, we'll draw a picture. Third time, everybody's going to get some paper to practice. So I made 12 cookies. Each cookie has 5 pieces of chocolate, 3 walnuts, 6 mango pieces, and 9 coconut pieces. Okay? So listen one more time. I made 12 cookies. 1, 2, 3. Is this a lot of cookies? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I made 12 cookies. Each cookie has 5 pieces of chocolate. 5 pieces of chocolate. Who wants to help me draw some chocolate?
Me.
Okay, let's have down and 2. Come up, help draw some chocolate. Black squares, actually. We'll do squares. So on all these 12 cookies, we need 12 pieces of chocolate, and we're going to make them black. I'm sorry, 5 pieces of chocolate. So 5 little chocolate squares on all of those cookies. Here you go, bud. Why don't you start over here? So we're going to draw 5 tiny little squares. Good. Why don't you start over here, buddy? Yeah, start on this side. Okay, so we've got our 12 cookies. Each cookie has 5 pieces of chocolate. Each cookie also has 3 walnuts. So every cookie, good, keep going on all our cookies. Each cookie also has 3 walnuts. So we're going to make those red. Each cookie has 3 walnuts. Some circles. How many pieces of chocolate does our cookie have? 5. Each cookie has 5 pieces of chocolate. Each cookie has 3 walnuts. Is it okay if they look a little bit different? Yeah. Yep, everyone, you got it. So they look a little bit different, but that's okay. Each cookie also has 6 pieces of mango. Who wants to draw some mangoes? Okay, Lakao Pang Pon, come on up. Draw some mangoes for us. Here you go, we'll have blue mangoes. Let's make our mangoes blue circles. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, every cookie needs 6 pieces of mango. Here you go. Good job. Don't forget our cookies up top. All done with the chocolates? All right, good job, friends. How many chocolates does each cookie have? How many chocolates did you draw? 5. 5, okay. Thank you, my friends. You can head back to your desk. Okay. Each cookie, that's okay. They can be in different places as long as we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's okay. All right, each cookie also has 9 pieces of coconut. 9 pieces of coconut. Who wants to draw some coconuts? Okay, come on up. So we have coconuts. Let's make our, come on. Let's make our coconuts be X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, thank you, my friends. Got all 6 mangoes on every cookie? Good work. Is it okay if our cookies look different? Yeah, it's okay. This one's got its mango all over here. That's cool. This one's got its chocolate all in a row. That's okay. Do you think all these cookies are still delicious? Yeah, I bet they're still delicious. So we're gonna give our friends some paper. You're welcome. Well, I don't think we need to draw our cookies since we've got them all drawn on the board.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. So we're gonna think about some math problems while the girls are finishing up. We're gonna think about some math problems with our cookies. You don't have to draw the cookies. We're just gonna look at these ones. You did a good job drawing already. That'll take us a long time. So we're gonna think about these cookies, okay? We've got 5 pieces of chocolate on each cookie, 3 walnuts on each cookie, 6 mangoes on each cookie, and 9 pieces of coconut on each cookie. How many cookies do we have all together? How many cookies do we have? 12 cookies. Okay, we have 12 cookies. I want to know how many pieces of walnuts there are all together. So these are our walnuts, the red circles. How many red circles on every cookie? How many? 3. 3. There's 3 red circles, 3 walnuts on every cookie. How many cookies do we have? How many cookies do we have? Friends, how many cookies do we have? 12. I want to know how many walnuts there are all together. So how can we write that with times? Thank you. Well, we're just going to think about our walnuts first. The red circles. And you're on the right track. You're thinking the right way. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for all 12 cookies, how can we write that with times? 12 times 3. 12 times 3. So that's our first problem. 12 times 3. 12 times 3. So on your paper, you can write it like this and go through your ones place, then your tens place. So 12 times 3. Write that on your paper. 12 times 3. Just like this. 12 times 3. Write that on your paper. See if you can figure that one out by yourself. 12 times 3. So start in your ones place. 2 times 3. Then your tens place.
12 times 3. Finish.
3 times 1. Okay, you got it written down?
Yes.
All right, very nice.
Yeah.
Let's see. 12 times 3, just like that. What's 12 times 3?
Finish.
12 times 3. So we think about 3 times 2. What's 3 times 2?
Equals 6.
Equals 6. What's 3 times 1?
3.
3. What's our whole answer? 36. Good job, friends. So we have 36 little red circles, which are walnuts. So 3 times 12 is 36 walnuts, which are our little red circles. 36. Okay. I want to know how many pieces of chocolate we have all together, our little black squares. How many pieces in every cookie?
5.
5. How many cookies all together?
12.
12. How can we write that with times?
5.
Yeah, 12 times 5 or 5 times 12. So on your paper,
12 times 5.
you're going to write 12 times 5.
Finish.
And you're going to solve that first with your ones place, then your tens place. So on your paper, write 12 times 5, just like that. 12 times 5.
Well, top 1.
Yep, put the 12 on top. Good. Very nice. 12 times 5. Okie doke. Good job, buddy. Very nice. What's 2 times 5? 2 times 5. 10. Good job. Do we write our 10 just on the bottom?
No.
What do we do?
0.
0 and the 1 up top. 5 times 1.
Equal 1. Equal 5.
Plus 1?
6.
6. Okay, what's our whole answer? 60. Good job. We have 60 pieces of chocolate all together. 60 pieces of chocolate. So we had 12 cookies times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of chocolate on every cookie
60.
gives us 60 pieces of chocolate, those little black squares. 60 pieces of chocolate. Okay, next, let's think about our little mangoes. How many mangoes on each cookie, Pangpan? 6. How many cookies all together?
12.
12. How can we make this multiplication problem?
12 times 6.
Good job. 12 times 6. 12 times 6. So on your paper, you're going to do 12 times 6. Start in your ones place. Six times 2. What's 6 times 2, Pot? 6 times 2. What is that? 6 times 2?
12.
What is it? 12. 12. Do I write it like this?
No.
No? Okay, 1 up top. What's 6 times 1?
7. 6.
6 plus 1?
5 equals 7.
7. Good. So what's my whole answer? 72. I have 72 little pieces of mango. 72 little pieces of mango. Okay, friends. How many pieces of coconut do we have, our little black X's? 9 on every cookie. How many cookies all together? How many cookies do I have? 12. How can I make that with times? How can I write that? 12 times 9. Okay, on your paper. 9 times 12 or 12 times 9?
12 times 9. Equal 80.
12 times 9. So we'll put it down here. 12 times 9. You're going to start in your ones place. Start in your ones place. We got 12 times 9 equals how many pieces of coconut all together? So try it out at your desk. Try it out at your desk.
So how much is gold?
Good job.
You okay?
Close, close. That's the first part. That's the first part.
108.
Let me see.
108.
A little bit different. A little bit different. Those are the right numbers. They're not in the right order. So write it this way. Write it this way so you can line everything up. I think that's going to make it a little easier. There you go. Nope. You can do it yourself. Don't look at Lacko's paper. You think about it. Very nice. Very nice.
108.
Pangpon, what's 2 times 9?
200 equal 100.
Not 100. 2 times 9.
Equal 10.
Not 10. Remember how to do it?
18.
18. There you go. 2 times 9 is 18. Very good. 2 times 9 is what? 18. I put my 8 down here. 1 up top. What's 9 times 1? Plus 1. Cool. What's 9 times 1?
Equal 9.
Plus 1 more?
Equal 10.
Equals 10. Is it okay to write 10 like this? Yep. 108 little pieces of coconut all together. Very nice job, friends. Good work. So that's how we think about the math story. We listen for all the words and all the numbers, and then we take that information and we make a problem with times. So thanks for joining us on our math lesson. Can everyone say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.